What can a generic software or an Excel sheet really do for your climbing gym? Issue invoices, track attendance, useful, but limited. Now imagine an ecosystem built for climbing, from the wall to the front desk, from route setting to your community. This is Lizcore gymOS. Run your operations without friction. Instead of a dozen apps, have it all in one. Bookings from the app, online POS, cash drawer control, waiver signing, cafe and bar sales, memberships and passes, and staff scheduling. Everything connected, with support for tax verification systems such as Verifactu in Spain. See what truly happens in your gym, what people climb, what they think of each route, announcements for new routes and desets. Your setters work with a live map. Route feedback, rotations, and maintenance always up to date. Safety levels up. Auto belay monitoring, maintenance logs, and alerts when something doesn't start as it should. Less uncertainty, more peace of mind. Turn visits into community. Offer climbers challenges, gamified progress to keep them motivated, personal history, and paperless competitions with instant real-time results. Your marketing also scales. First-party data for campaigns that retain, reactivate, and grow your gym. Congratulate users and automatically gift a free entry. Let them share climbing culture, stories that inspire the next session. Check weather at nearby outdoor crags and plan visits in advance. With the right profiles and permissions, everyone sees what they need, and everything stays under control. From scattered tools to a connected ecosystem, from guesswork to data-driven decisions, from managing to making an impact. Lizcore gymOS. Register now. You're one step from taking your gym to the next level.